Battery's full. It's rare. You want to be in this video, Cody?
Sure.
And flirt with YouTubers?
Do I have to have my clothes on the whole time?
No. It's preferred that you don't, actually. You have a crescent wrench. I have something better than that, too, though.
2 crescent wrenches? And a partridge in a pear tree.
What are you trying to undo?
We're just going to remove this tine altogether so we could weld all the way around
I
this.
got some of that fancy stinky spray stuff. You want me to grab it?
Yeah. If you
It'll-
have some.
It'll make the jack work again too.
Oh, that came off super easy. I'm surprised at how easy those came off.
Well, I'm just
It's been actually recording. I just haven't spoken to the camera. Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today we're working in the field with my brother Cody. That's his backside. Anyways, we're working on a plow of sorts, tines. You attach to your 3-point hitch on a smaller tractor. It's broken here, right there, and right there. So we're gonna grind those up, clean it up, do a full weld. We've already removed, there was a tine right here. That guy right there. You can barely see him because of the light, but he was right here, so we've removed him to make it easier to weld. That spring was right underneath this guy. We didn't want to ruin it. So we're gonna grind all these up. We'll show you what they look like when we grind them clean to weld. And then we'll weld them up and get things bolted back together. Just a short little repair. That mount on the bottom of that camera broke and I got a cheap one off Amazon and it sucks. You've got a lot of just needs here. Just.
Everything's rocky right now.
Just.
You want that high lift over here?
Don't think yet. Eventually, probably.
That looks pretty good from this
What do you think about getting a nice heavy tack on this guy, then pulling that one into position?
Sounds like a good idea.
I'll hook up the ground clamp. You guys
thank
can't see,
you,
I don't help. Did you grind me a good spot? Looks like it's not too close.
Do all that too.
Nice to meet
You're
you,
the
finally.
Tyrell that I've heard so much about.
I told your mother-in-law not to believe anything Bryce has said.
Mom come out to
Because
me.
if it's anything good, it's been a lie.
Yeah, whatever. You guys are awesome.